just waiting for an opportunity here. Here's the 1 minute chart way back to open basically. And there's those big candles with big tails, top and bottom. And then it kind of started leveling out. The 1 minute candles look a little more calm now, you can see. And it is rolling over. And it looks like we're going long. Here's the 500. And I just come up, down, up again, back down. I want to make sure it doesn't go below 27.90-ish. And then once it turns around, we'll be able to go long again. Here's a look at the speed up chart for the same data. Here's the 500. And the 1 minute. You can see the candles definitely have a different look to them now. A lot less volatility. Sitting right on this here, I think that's the 75. Or the 50. If it makes a charge upward again past 27.93, I'd probably go long. Take a look at the 200, look inside this sucker. It's also it's 8:24 here, so it's another half hour or so till lunch on the East Coast when things get a little bit goofy. So looks like I might be able to go long here.
Order filled.
All right, we're going to go long here. It's right at the top of these two, but this up and down bouncing should push it over. We should be okay here. So position I'm holding 27.93.50. Right at the top here. This is always a little bit dangerous. As long as we don't break through here, we'll be okay. We'll watch the 200 tick for any danger. I just screwed up there, but we'll see. 50. My stop should be around there. 90.25. Perfect. So if it breaks here, we want it to make sure it doesn't break this plane, because if it does, my stop's just outside it, which is perfect. And my target This is a 16 tick target. Sometimes when it's like this, I might take a little less because of the sort of lack of consistency. See how we look in the 1 minute. This is a bit worrisome too when you look at this and it doesn't go anywhere. I'm going to stick with this trade. Now it should pop through a third time here. I talk about this a lot. Get one high, breaks through, beats the second, tags it again. The next attempt will be the third attempt. If it doesn't break through, it'll probably reverse back down, so we'll see. I'm going to pause the video now. We'll come back when it's taking a direction. Okay, it quickly ran up, tagged that again to 93.50. And it looks like it's done. I'm probably going to get out. Wait for it to break through here. Here we go. Try to be as patient as I can. If it doesn't go this time, it's going to probably collapse. So we'll have to watch carefully here. It's a good chance it's going to go through though. This will be the fourth attempt. Still waiting. It's gone up and tagged it again. Come back down. It's just stuck in this little wee pocket here. So I've got a pretty safe stop. See, the lines are leveling out here. If we take a look at my Ninja 500. Still looks good here. No reason to panic. Hasn't crossed my black 75 SMA here. So just leveling out, hopefully before a nice long upward run. Next level is somewhere in the 98 area, I think. Let's get back to our regular program. Gonna pause it. Still waiting here for it to push through here. Take a look at the 200 tick on my Ninja. This tells me a lot. I like this better. This look better than the speed up format. Here we are. We're sitting right there again. My entry. That's first poke through. Hopefully it'll run a bit before it pulls back. Let's see. So this is looking decent so far. Hopefully it continues because I really need this trade to work. Like every trade, but this is probably the most important because it's day one of the test. I will pause it till the exit. All right, it's still running up a little bit here. It's pulling back. Got to be careful. I don't want to give anything away, but I also want to maximize my return here. So looking at everything. There's going to be some resistance right in the 97 area. I've probably already run into it. That's probably why it's turning around a little bit. I got to ask myself, am I happy with $87 or $75? I probably am, given the market, and I hate trading after 8:30. If I can avoid it at all, I prefer to just avoid it. So I think what I'm going to do is for today, I'm going to take this as a win, and I'm going to exit. Move my target down. See if I can get filled here.
Order filled.
Done. Nice little trade. 95